Welcome to the vibrant and captivating world of Igbo music and dance, where tradition meets rhythm and culture comes alive. Located in the southeastern region of Nigeria, the Igbo people have a rich and diverse cultural heritage that is beautifully reflected in their music and dance. Their traditions have been passed down through generations, creating a vibrant tapestry of sounds and movements. In this video, we'll take you on an immersive journey to explore the intricate rhythms, dynamic beats, and mesmerizing movements of Igbo music and dance. Join us as we delve into the heart of Igbo culture and experience the essence of their artistic expressions. Traditional Igbo music is characterized by the use of various percussion instruments, such as the drum, xylophone, and flute. This vibrant and rhythmic music is often played during traditional ceremonies, festivals, and celebrations. The beats and melodies are deeply rooted in the cultural heritage of the Igbo people, reflecting their history, values, and communal spirit. Each instrument contributes to the unique sound that defines Igbo music, making it an integral part of their identity. Igbo dance is a vital part of Igbo culture and is often performed during traditional ceremonies and celebrations. The dances are characterized by intricate footwork and body movements. In recent years, Igbo music has evolved to incorporate modern styles and genres. From highlife to hip-hop, Igbo musicians are making waves in the music industry. Igbo music and dance are an integral part of Igbo culture and identity. They serve as a vibrant expression of the community's history, values, and traditions, passed down through generations. From traditional to modern styles, Igbo music and dance continue to thrive and evolve. This evolution showcases the adaptability and creativity of the Igbo people, blending the old with the new to create something unique and dynamic. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the rhythm and beats of Igbo music and dance. We hope this exploration has deepened your appreciation for the rich cultural heritage and the enduring spirit of the Igbo people.